Ever wondered why governments tremble at the name of Bitcoin? It's simple. They can't manufacture it themselves. Now prepare your mind for a shocking revelation. A virtual currency that could potentially topple the age-old global financial structure. Visualize a vibrant, game-changing currency, unshackled from the chains of governmental control. A currency that dances at your fingertips, ready to be whisked away or summoned from anywhere across this vast globe, with trivial costs. Imagine a currency pulsating with raw, untamed potential, set to shatter the traditional norms of money, commerce, and finance into a million pieces. Am I painting a picture of a dream? Or could this truly be the dawn of a new economic era? Brace yourselves for Bitcoin, a paradigm-shifting, groundbreaking, earth-shaking virtual currency that isn't just turning the world on its head, it's revolutionizing its very E. In the throes of a global financial crisis, a new monetary concept was poised to take the stage. The year was 2008, a time of profound financial instability as the cornerstone institutions of our global economy teetered on the brink of collapse. Against this tumultuous backdrop, a revolution surfaced in the form of a 9-page document titled Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system, circulated on a cryptography mailing list. Its author was an unknown entity, an invisible vanguard using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. This white paper proposed an idea that would shake the of traditional finance. A digital currency operating autonomously, free from central authority. Instead of reliance on banks or governments for transactional operations, Bitcoin proposed a public ledger called the blockchain. Each transaction recorded in this ledger, and any attempt to manipulate these records, thwarted by an innovative process called mining. Far from the traditional associations with pickaxes and tunnels, mining in the Bitcoin realm is a computational process that verifies transactions and includes them the blockchain. The miner's reward? Newly minted Bitcoins. This process ensures the integrity and chronological order of the blockchain. On January 3, 2009, Nakamoto mined the first block, the Genesis block. Encoded within this block was a headline from The Times: Chancellor on brink of second bailout for banks. A stark reminder of the financial instability that ignited the Bitcoin revolution. Nakamoto remained a central figure in the Bitcoin community for about 2 years, steering its nascent stages. Then, in 2010, Nakamoto disappeared, leaving behind an open-source project and a powerful disruptor to traditional currency. Bitcoin faced challenges in the ensuing years, from regulatory scrutiny to volatile price fluctuations. Despite the challenges, the vision of a decentralized currency providing an alternative to traditional financial systems persisted. And so, a fundamentally new form of money, Bitcoin, was set to challenge and potentially disrupt the very foundations of conventional finance. We navigate the future. Bitcoin continues to propel discussions about money, privacy, and the role of institutions in our lives. Bitcoin, in its infancy, was a realm of innovation and vision for tech and cypherpunks. This pioneering crew was a diverse mix of coders, hackers, anarchists, and libertarians, each contributing their unique skills, all united by a shared, passionate vision of a decentralized future, free from the shackles of conventional banking systems. Their enthusiasm and belief in the potential of this largely unproven and untested technology made them the early adopters of Bitcoin. Their relentless experimentation and tinkering, pushing the boundaries of what was possible with this newborn technology, was fueled by an open-source ethos, igniting a collaborative spirit that celebrated the collective wisdom of the community. The enthusiasm and shared vision of these pioneers culminated in a momentous occasion that would forever ink its name in the annals of Bitcoin's history. In May 2010, a programmer named Laszlo Hanyecz made history by conducting the first-ever real-world Bitcoin transaction. He paid 10,000 Bitcoins for 2 Papa John's pizzas. At today's prices, that's the equivalent of over $400 million for a couple of pizzas. A rather lavish feast indeed. While on the surface it may seem like a simple and somewhat trivial transaction, what it symbolized was monumental. It served as concrete proof that Bitcoin could transcend the realm of theory to become a practical means of exchange in the real world. This transaction was the validation of the early adopters' vision. It was the moment Bitcoin broke the shackles of convention and began to disrupt traditional notions of commerce. The exhilarating saga of Bitcoin can be likened to the adrenaline-pumping ride of a roller coaster. Bitcoin's inception marked the climb up the initial slope, slow but full of anticipation. In the uncharted territory of 2009, Bitcoin was akin to a roller coaster car trembling at the bottom of the tracks, practically without value. As we journeyed towards 2017, the roller coaster began its exhilarating ascent, mirroring the Bitcoin market's frenzied elevation. Propelled by a perfect storm of speculative investing, media buzz, and the dawn of new trading platforms, Bitcoin's value catapulted from a few $1,000s at the start of the year to a breathtaking peak of nearly $20,000 in December. The peak of the ride had been reached, and just as the roller coaster drops at dizzying speed, so did Bitcoin. As we rolled into 2018, Bitcoin plunged into a heart-stopping descent, its value nosediving by over 80% in mere months. This precipitous drop left investors feeling as though they were stuck in a free fall, their digital riches evaporating as quickly as the rush from a roller coaster. The ride didn't stop there. Navigating through a maze of controversies and regulatory challenges was like the roller coaster twisting and turning, creating a disorienting sense of chaos. Issues about its use for illegal transactions and the environmental toll of Bitcoin mining cast a looming shadow over the ride. Nevertheless, much like a roller coaster car that continues its course despite the sharp twists and turns, Bitcoin demonstrated remarkable tenacity, adapting and evolving amidst the tumult. The plunge served as a wake-up call, prompting the Bitcoin community to rectify its shortcomings and strive towards a sustainable future. Thus, despite this nerve-wracking ride, Bitcoin remained steadfast. It stood as a testament to its resilience and adaptability, proving that it's a roller coaster ride that's far from over. Today, Bitcoin stands not just as a virtual currency, but a worldwide sensation, an emblem of financial liberation and a mark of technological advancement. Its journey from a niche curiosity for tech aficionados to a globally recognized and respected financial asset highlights its transformative influence. Bitcoin's impact is evident across a variety of sectors. It's shaking the foundations of traditional banking with its decentralized structure, presenting an alternative to state-issued currencies. In the realm of e-commerce, Bitcoin's acceptance as a legitimate form of payment has broadened customer outreach. It has even left a lasting impression in the artistic world, with artists trading their works for Bitcoin and employing blockchain, the underlying technology of Bitcoin, to confirm and display ownership of their art. This technology, blockchain, has evolved alongside Bitcoin, and its decentralized, secure, and transparent nature has instigated a revolution in multiple sectors, including supply chain management and healthcare. It's opening avenues for a new generation of decentralized applications, or dApps, aiming to challenge the norm's traditional business models. Furthermore, Bitcoin's triumph has given birth to an entire universe of alternative cryptocurrencies, or altcoins, like Ethereum, Ripple, Litecoin, each owing their existence to Bitcoin's trailblazing role. These altcoins have broadened the cryptocurrency space, each contributing their unique attributes and applications to the vibrant ecosystem we witness today. Undeniably, Bitcoin has converged a diverse community of global developers, investors, enthusiasts, and even skeptics, all partaking in discussions, disputes, and collaborations. This community is ceaselessly pushing limits, propelling the advancement of Bitcoin and the broader crypto space. Today, Bitcoin stands proud as a testament to the prowess of innovation and the potential of decentralized finance. Bitcoin is more than just a digital coin. It's a catalyst for change, igniting a revolution that's transforming our world. As we stand on the brink of the future, it is undeniable. Bitcoin not only has a firm place in our world, but has the immense potential to reshape it. Its journey may have been a thrill ride of highs and lows, but Bitcoin's future sparkles with promise and potential. The buzz of speculation surrounds it, opinions diverge, yet one sentiment echoes loudly. Bitcoin's possibilities are infinite. Bitcoin is more than a mere digital currency. It's an innovative technology, a groundbreaking protocol, a revolutionary medium of value exchange over the internet. It's a tool that holds promise for applications we are yet to conceive. Looking forward, we can envisage Bitcoin playing a leading role in the global economy. As a decentralized currency, it embodies the promise of liberation from central banks' control and presents a universal, boundaryless form of money. It could potentially equalize the economic landscape, bringing financial services to the unbanked masses across the globe. Bitcoin has the potential to evolve into a reserve currency, a digital gold, providing a safeguard against inflation and economic instability. It might even pose a formidable challenge to the supremacy of conventional reserve currencies like the US dollar. Admittedly, the path to this future will be fraught with obstacles. Topics like Bitcoin mining's energy consumption and the potential for regulatory crackdowns are contentious. Additionally, Bitcoin's scalability hitches and its volatile nature are pressing concerns. Yet, the optimism within the Bitcoin community is palpable. The technology is steadily evolving, with innovations like the Lightning Network poised to resolve scalability issues. As for volatility, it's viewed by many as a natural stage in the evolution of a new asset class. With every step we take into this bold new epoch of digital currency, our curiosity peaks. What lies ahead for Bitcoin? The potential is colossal. The challenges momentous. But the journey, as always, is set to be a thrilling adventure. As we've witnessed so far, Bitcoin has a proclivity for surpassing expectations and rewriting norms. So, let's raise a toast to the future, a future that Bitcoin continues to shape in its visionary path. So, what tale unfolds when we delve into Bitcoin's saga? Born from a cryptic white paper, Bitcoin embarked on a journey akin to a gripping adventure, shaking the world to core. Initiated as a flicker of an idea, it transformed into a tool crucial for pioneers and innovators, weathering the storm of dramatic highs and lows. Today stands as a formidable global titan, sculpting the financial landscape and beyond. Bitcoin, sparking a revolution, causing disruption, and bearing testimony to the prowess of innovation, continues to author its own adventure, and we are all thrill-seeking participants in this odyssey. I'm Joshua Carnival, and this is my channel. Let us know by like if something from this video was new or important for you. Comment below with any topic that sparks your curiosity or ignites your passion, and let's dive deeper together. Your voice matters. Stay tuned for a whirlwind of captivating content. Your journey with us is just beginning. Hit subscribe and brace yourself for a wild ride.